Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is Helton's Computer Repair here with a video for you. On this video we're just going to be showing you how to download and install Skype. Most likely if you have a Windows 10 home, you possibly might already have Skype installed on your computer. It could already be there, but what we're pretty much using right now is pretty much a Windows 10 Enterprise, or pretty much if you have a Pro, pretty much the concept. So Skype is not technically automatically installed on here. So on this video we're going to be showing you how to do that. Let's go ahead and get started. So first thing to do, pretty much is go to a browser. I'm pretty much going to open up the Microsoft Edge. You can use any browser you want. And all you have to do is pretty much just type in Skype. I'm trying to spell that. Skype.com. And pretty much press enter. And it should take us to the site right here. It tells us Skype brings the Marvel Universe to our video calls. We get the point. I really don't care. All I'm pretty much want to show you is that it has the option where it says to create a free call or download Skype. We're going to go ahead and select where it says download Skype. And it's going to tell us what type of download you're going to use. It says it's available for Windows, Mac, or Linux. This is actually very useful. I should probably make some more videos on Linux. Regardless, we're pretty much using a Windows right now. If you do have it for your mobile devices, they have it for pretty much Google Play or for Apple, pretty much Android or Apple devices. Pretty much we're going to go ahead and go to the left side where it says get Skype for Windows. Go ahead and select it. And go ahead and let it do its work. So it's currently downloading. Once the file has downloaded, or if you do know wherever the file got pretty much downloaded at, go ahead and just open up that file, and you'll probably be prompted. Go ahead and press yes, and pretty much from this point, I don't really need the browser anymore. I can pretty much just exit out. From that point, it's going to tell you that you're ready to install. You're going to go ahead and select install and continue, and let it extract the files. It is a very pretty much simple program. There's nothing too much for you that could mess it up unless you're having issues on it. Then we'll probably have to make a video how to uninstall it for you. And that is pretty much it. Skype has just came into place, and right now it should come up. Here we are. It tells us welcome to Skype, free HD video and voice calls anywhere in the world. Let's say get started. It tells you if you can create one or use your Microsoft account. Most likely pretty much Microsoft owns Skype, so you get the point. You would have to create one or pretty much use a Microsoft account for it if you already have one. I was pretty much an old account through Skype, so for the longest time I used to just log on to Skype with their user account without having to use Microsoft, but that old days has pretty much are gone now. Regardless, go ahead, and that's pretty much it. I'm pretty much going to go ahead and just exit out, and that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching from Helton's Computer Repair, and I will see you on the next video. Thanks for watching, guys. If you disliked this video, then hit that button. But if you like it and you want to see more, hit that like button, get subscribed, comment, and tell us what other tech videos you want to see. Consider checking out our merch store, link in the video description. And for the rest, I will see you on the next video.